Science Model Question Paper 1, Part A, Physics Part, Roman number 1, multiple choice questions. Number 1, the SI unit of electric charge is option A, volt, option B, ampere, option C, coulomb, option D, joule. The answer is coulomb. The suitable focal length of the convex lens used as magnifying lens to read hallmark 916 written on ornaments is option A 12 centimeter, option B 60 centimeter, option C 100 centimeter, option D 120 centimeter. Because as the focal length decreases, the magnification increases. Third question, the magnetic field lines inside solenoid are in the form of parallel straight lines. The reason for this is the magnetic field inside the solenoid is option A very high, option B uniform, option C 0, option D produced by electricity. Roman number 2, answer the following questions. 4. If the radius of curvature of a lens 30 centimeter, then what is its focal length? R is equal to 30 centimeter given, F is equal to capital R by 2, F is equal to 30 by 2, that is equal to F is equal to 15 centimeter. The unit must be, you must write in the units, focal length F. Fifth one, in the experiment of refraction through a glass slab, the angle of incidence should be less than 90 degree. Why? The angle of incidence should be less than 90 degree because if it exceeds 90 degree angle, it causes total internal reflection instead of refraction. Draw the ray diagram to show the uniform of in the formation of image by convex lens when the object is kept between 2f1 and f1. F1 is principal focus of convex lens. This is the diagram. Seventh question. The resistivity of two conductors A and B are 1.62 into 10 raised to 8 ohm meter and 5.20 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter respectively. Which of them is used in option used in 1. Transportation of electricity. Conductor A is used in transporting electricity. Number 2 question, the making of heating coils. Why? The conductor B is used in making of heating coils because it has a high resistivity and resistance to oxidation at high temperature. 8th question, observe the following table, complete the table using Ohm's law. 1. Electric current, potential difference V, resistance R. 2A ಇದ್ದಾಗ 120 volts 60 ohm, 1.5 amperes 90 volts 60 ohm, 1 ampere 60 volt 60 ohm. Fourth, answer the following questions. 9. Draw the diagram of an electric generator. Label the following parts: carbon, brushes and rings. Next, this is the diagram. 10th, explain the experiment to find out the focal length of a convex lens. The focal length of a convex lens is 100 centimeter. Find its power. Given convex lens, F is equal to minus 15 centimeter, U is equal to minus 30 centimeter, V is equal to question mark, M is equal to question mark. We have to find out that. Lens formula, according to the lens formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. 1 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by minus 30. 1 by minus 15 is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by 30. 1 by minus 15 is minus 1 by 30 is equal to 1 by V. 30 plus 15 divided by minus 450 LCM. We are taking LCM. That is equal to 1 by V. Next we get the answer. V is equal to minus 10 centimeter. We know that M is equal to V by U, that is minus 10 by 30. M is equal to 1 by 3. The image distance is minus 10 centimeter and magnification is 1 by 3rd. 11th question. Explain the advantages and disadvantages of solar cells. Advantages of solar cell: eco-friendly and cause less pollution. They have low maintenance cost. The source of energy for solar cell is present in abundance. Disadvantages of solar cells. Number one, the cost of manufacturing is very expensive. Two, solar cells have low efficiency. They can convert only about 25% of sunlight light energy falling on them into electricity. Third, it cannot be used in absence of sunlight from any source. Fifth one, answer the following questions. 12. Explain the principle of working of simple electric motor. What is the role of split rings in an electric motor? How are commercial motors different from simple electric motor? The principle of an electric motor is based on current carrying conductor which produces magnetic field around it. A current carrying conductor is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field so that it experiences a force. Split rings is used for reversing the direction of current in the coil. Difference between the simple electric motors and the commercial electric motors. In commercial electric motors, field coils are used for producing magnetic field and not a permanent magnet as in the simple electric motors. These coils becomes magnified and when current passes through them, magnetized. 13. Option A. State Ohm's law mention the factors on which the resistance of a conductor depend. Ohm's law, potential difference across the 2 points of a metallic conductor is directly proportional to current passing through the circuit, provided the temperature remains constant. Factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends. 1. Directly proportional to the length of a conductor, inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Third one, directly proportional to the temperature and depends on nature of material. B. State Joule's law of heating and write the mathematical formula of this depend. Joule's law of heating states that when a current passes through a conductor of resistance R for time t, then the heat developed in the conductor is equal to the product of the square of the current of and resistance and time. H is equal to VIT. H is equal to IR into IT. H is equal to I square RT. Part B we will discuss in the next video.